This is a 2008 Mercedes-Benz C350, a great fit and finish. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a low tire pressure indicator, Sirius satellite radio, a sport suspension, aluminum wheels, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: heater vents for rear-seated passengers, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, interior wood trim accents, side curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a rear window defroster, performance tires, and this vehicle has fewer than 67,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Texas Auto is located at 16200 Highway 3 in Houston. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.